Welcome to an ASMR Gua session. Today, let's get ready for deep sleep. But first, I'll make some tea. This is a resilient skin elixir made with ingredients from traditional Chinese medicine, like black fungus, lily bulb, lotus seed, red date, and goji berries. To get ready for Gua, let's start by prepping our minds for stillness and relaxation. Do your best to be present for each step of the tea drinking process. Notice how the tea tastes, lightly sweet, yet earthy. How it feels to hold the warm tea in your mouth, and how your body feels after drinking it. Now we are ready for Gua. Start by oiling your face all over. You want a thin layer all over your face so that the Gua tool can easily glide over your skin and not tug it. This is my favorite part. Make sure to pamper yourself as you're doing this, getting every nook and cranny, and just making sure to also take this time to massage any areas of deep tension that you might have been holding on to the entire day. The last step is just dropping some oil into your hands, rubbing them together to warm up the product, and gently placing it across your entire face. Now, on to the first step, starting between the eyebrows on the forehead, massaging the acupressure point, then moving on to your brows and temples, making sure to massage in a circular motion for about 10 seconds in each area. You can start to feel the tension immediately moving away. Next, let's start by massaging in a zigzag motion across the forehead, from the brows all the way up to the hairline. This motion really helps to relax the forehead for me, where I carry a lot of tension from the entire day. If you're very expressive when you speak, you'll probably feel a lot of tension in your forehead, and these motions might be one of your favorites. Now let's move on to the other side of the forehead. You'll notice that for each of these actions, we'll be doing them twice. Once on one side of the face, and once on the other side, making sure to balance out our motions and, of course, our body. The next step is to massage the area right next to your nose and just around your eye socket. Follow the line of your nose that goes continuously up into your eyebrow and massage it in an upward sweeping motion. Next, use the flat side and do it once again, except now you're extending the stroke all across your brow and into your temples. Move slowly and take care to not tug your skin too much as you're doing this process. This is really meant to help relax the eye muscles that, of course, carry so much tension throughout the day as we are all looking at our devices. Now, let's move on to the cheeks. Take the curved side of your Gua tool and gently go from the side of your nose across the entire cheek and your cheekbone, then up towards the temple. Make sure that you're gliding across the cheekbone in particular, where a lot of your muscle tension will also be held. Again, make sure to going to use this groove to go in this upward sweeping motion, then to press right underneath our cheekbone, then all the way up the temple. Start from the cheek, glide up the bone, press and linger under the cheek, then go all the way up to your temple. You'll start to feel the entire face really, really relax through this all-in-one motion. Starting from the chin, going up the jawline, underneath the cheekbone, then going all the way up the rest of the temple. As you're doing this action, make sure to spend extra time lingering underneath the cheekbone in that particular acupressure point. That is where you're going to get the most benefits out of this particular gua sha motion. Enjoy this experience. Now next, we're going to massage the line from the corner of your mouth up to the top corner of your ear. Here I'm just using one of the points of the gua sha tool to gently massage the sides on my left side, then on my right side. During this motion, take extra care to not tug your skin too much. Now for the next step, we're going to gua sha the jawline, then all the way down the neck. This is one of the deepest relaxing motions of this entire routine. As someone who carries a lot of tension in their jaw, this action is much, much needed, because it not only gets the deep muscles of the jawline, but also continues seamlessly down the neck, which is an often forgotten area, yet very important. Now, take the flat side of the gua sha tool and run it across your entire face. Notice how different this feels after every other step you've already gone through in your gua sha routine. Maybe you really need this extra step to remove that deep tension in your face. Or maybe this just feels extra nice as a finishing move. And with that, we are finished. Take one more sip of your tea, and it's time to get ready for some deep, deep sleep. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you next time.